Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the AMPLock cast iron trailer coupler lock for the 2 5/16 ball couplers that do not have a lip on them. Now this is a tamper-resistant sturdy lock. It prevents trailer theft by preventing hookup. It is designed to fit over the coupler, engaging it like a trailer ball does and blocking the ball opening. This will help prevent any would-be thieves from hitching your trailer to their tow vehicle. Now this is in the lock position, so I just want to open it up and demonstrate how this works. So you just go ahead and put your key in there. And once you get your key all the way in there, then you just twist it, pull out the lock, remove the key, and now it'll remove the ball from the cover. The cover itself is a nice heavy-duty ductile cast iron construction. Helps absorb shock to prevent any breaking, and it also resists any kind of cutting, including cutting with like a torch or liquid nitrogen. The ball that's used to lock onto is a solid one-piece stainless steel ball. It has a stainless steel pin right here that'll lock onto the coupler. It does use that push and lock cylinder. It'll lock without the need for a key. You can see once you open it and leave it in the open position. To lock it, all you have to do is push in on that. I'm going to demonstrate that. And also it's nice when this is installed, the lock's location is on the bottom, so it also makes it difficult for thieves to access. It does use a rotating disc tumbler lock, which will provide maximum security. It offers nearly 1 million possible key codes, and it is resistant to picking and drilling. So what we're going to demonstrate, I happen to pull a coupler that does not have a lip on the front here, and it is recommended because this won't fit over the lip. Some of your couplers have like a rolled edge or a lip over here. This one, if you notice, doesn't really have a lip to it, so it works perfectly on this. So what we're going to do is take out the pin and we'll go ahead and open this so it's in the open position. Oops, there we go, it's in the open position. And now we'll put the ball into there and then close it. And you can see now it's locked onto the ball. And then what you'll do with this hole facing outwards, and again we mentioned it's still in the lock, or going to be locked open position, you can slide this right over the whole coupler onto the ball. And then what you'll do is just push this in just like that, and you'll hear it click, and now it's locked into place. So when this is installed just like this on your coupler, nobody can hook up to it. Makes it very hard to access. It is a nice molded fit, you can see. Has a nice swivel design to it, so that'll decrease any hold options for the thieves. It does have a nice e-coat finish on it to resist corrosion. It does come with the 2 keys. And again, we mentioned the application. This is for standard ball couplers that use a 2 5/16 diameter ball. And again, just to mention, the coupler should not have a lip on it, because this will only work on the couplers that do not have that lip. So again, to remove this, all you have to do is take your key, put it up under there, and once you get your key all the way in there, twist it, pull out the lock, remove your key, and then that'll let you able to slide your cover off, and then you have access to your ball. Go ahead and open it and unhook it from the coupler. Simple as that. Now this is great for use on standard straight tongue couplers that have a lever latch, bulldog collar lock couplers, and many more. If you go to the product page for this part number, it'll show pictures of different locks it'll work on. One of the last things I want to do is give you some measurements on here. We're going to measure the inner width, just to give you an idea of the size of the couplers it'll fit on. So you can see right here, if we go inner width is about 3 3/4 inches. The inner height is going to be right at about, we go from there, also about 3 3/4 inches tall. But again, just to show you, this will go right onto there. Once it goes on, push it into place, and then you're locked together. Simple as that. But that should do it for the review on this AMPLock cast iron trailer coupler lock for the 2 5/16 ball couplers without a lip.